This is SuZ Miller from the Software Solutions Division with your SEI Agile Minute. As a member of an Agile Scrum team, have you ever started the day after sprint planning thinking, yay, I get to concentrate on just these tasks for the next week or two or whatever your cadence is? And by the end of day 2, did you look at your task board and say, how did all these other tasks end up in this sprint? Chances are you've had someone from outside the team who's higher up the food chain decide that what they need done right now is more important than what has been agreed to in the planning meeting. If this happens frequently, you've probably noticed already that your velocity is negatively impacted. And chances are your morale is as well, since you can't get the planned items done that you committed to. The product owner role is the role that is typically chartered with pushing back against out-of-cycle demands. And here's why it's important that the product owner takes this role seriously. First, consider a 2-week, that's 10 business days, iteration time box. Each day in that iteration represents 10% of your schedule to do the committed work. If an out-of-cycle task takes you half a day to complete, that's 5% of your schedule that's been eaten up. Your manager may say, well, that's only half a day. You should be able to make that up. My response would be, Mr. or Ms. Manager, would you give someone an interrupt task that takes 5% of a 10-month schedule? In that case, the interrupt task would take 2 weeks of work. When I've asked that question, the answer is invariably something along the lines of course not, but this is just a small task. It shouldn't affect the total outcome. All right, you've given the team one 5% task, and your peers have given them 2 more 5% tasks. Now you've eaten 15% of their schedule with unplanned tasks. Would you expect a 10-month team to make up a month and a half of work if they were given the same challenge? Unfortunately, some would say yes, but most respond that they would not consider that to be fair to the team. Going to small batches, as we do in Agile, requires a mindset shift in terms of both what can be done in a short iteration and the importance of allowing the team to do the planned work if you expect to get a positive result. During that transition to the new mindset, some teams allow for a guard band of time that they expect to deal with unplanned work. This at least highlights to management that they can't expect the same level of production from a team that is focused and committed as one that is forced to interrupt their work for unplanned tasks. Thanks for watching this SEI Agile Minute. For more information, please visit our website or send me an email at info@sei.cmu.edu.